Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lincoln MKZ 2013 to 2016? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2014 Lincoln MKZ protects major components like the electric power steering, engine control module, and cooling fans. It features a weather-resistant cover and an organized layout for efficient troubleshooting. This ensures safe and stable power delivery to key systems under the hood. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2015 to 2016 Lincoln MKZ safeguards critical systems such as the engine control module, ECM, electric power steering, cooling fans, and ABS. It features a weatherproof housing and a well-organized internal layout, making it easier to identify and replace fuses or relays. Power distribution fuse box. The power distribution box. Bottom in the 2013 to 2014 Lincoln MKZ houses high amperage fuses for key systems like the fuel pump, ABS, and heated windows. It can be accessed by releasing side latches and pivoting the box outward to reveal the lower fuse section. The power distribution box. Bottom in the 2015 to 2016 Lincoln MKZ contains high amperage fuses that protect systems like the fuel pump, ABS, and heated rear window. It is accessed by releasing side latches and pivoting the fuse box to reveal the lower section. With a sealed, weather-resistant design and organized layout, it ensures reliable power flow to key underhood components. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2014. Lincoln MKZ manages interior systems like the power seats, infotainment, and interior lighting. It's located behind a panel on the right side of the center console and features clearly labeled fuses for easy access. This design ensures consistent operation of the cabin's comfort and convenience features. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2015 to 2016 Lincoln MKZ is located under the dash to the left of the steering column. It protects interior systems like memory seats, power windows, ambient lighting, and the infotainment unit. With a compact and clearly labeled design, it ensures reliable function of comfort and convenience features.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.